Hello, Ella Rhodes here, and today I'm back with another video. Yes, it's really cool. And I'm going to tell this person, you're on YouTube.
That's the rest of the video is going to do that.
YouTube. Yeah, so today I've been gone a long time, so yeah, this is really fun, and I haven't been here out for a while. My camera broke. We're back. Yes, it's really cool. I gotta tell her you're on YouTube. Sorry. The video thing. It's called I'm Ella! Hello! Hello, Maya! Hello, Maya! Could you go out? You're kind of naked. Oh my god, Maya! Okay, so that's our friend. We like to tell her things. That's fun. Okay, let's say more.
Sorry about that. I'm
Very
sorry. That's beautiful. It looks so hard on us to be destroyed.
More jumping, I guess we could say. Jump.
Are you showing your face? My daughter should never show her face on YouTube.
Go away, Mom!
No, you cannot do any more YouTube videos.
Okay, so she's gonna host, which is fun, because I can't. It's very sad. I don't have the cape. Ah, dang it. She didn't do the race, she just jumped. Okay, I think she's coming in to do the actual thing. Hopefully. So yeah, I'm sorry, but you can't actually see everything. This is fun. I was really bored on Stress Stable, and I really wanted to make a video because I fixed the problem, and yeah, I logged on, and she was right there, so I was like, hey, this is cool. I'm kind of bored. I'm going to chat all of my friends and see if they want to do some jumping. I'm going to go up.
Yes, I'm making an awesome.
Hey, please wait.
Have you
Person,
ever
wait.
made a roller coaster?
Let's do the race. Dang it, now she's gonna go hang out with that person who said wanted to. Okay. So I've got to go over here
Yes.
and add this person to our group because they're really nice and they want to do a role. Invite group. What? The player is already a member of a group. Is all Okay, I'm so sorry, I'm back. I paused it by mistake. Let's go to say, there we go. Okay, I guess we're just not gonna invite her to a group. That's fine with me. To do the jump then race. Hello! Yay, my thing is working, and I hope you can see me. What? Want to do race? Hello? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Sure, it's for me. That's exactly what I'm thinking, because just running around, it's not too fun. Because then, like, when you want to get people's attention, it doesn't work, but... Oh, I need her to host. You host. Here. There we go. Never mind. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Yeah, I wrote never mind. Okay, I'm gonna try to start. Let's do a show. Whoa. See, yeah. It was fun. She's gone. Do you do a race? Question mark? Wait. First. First race. Jump in. You host? Question mark? I'm gonna write I can't because I actually can't. So she said yes. So yeah, you can't really see it. I'm here, but then my mouse can go out. So you can't see it, a big chunks, but I just did that for reasons. Yeah. Where'd she go? Oh, she has the same horse as me?
The same name?
Yeah, she says that she has the same horse as me. She just has a different hairstyle. Back up. Sure.
Are you gonna friend her?
I think she already is my friend. Never mind, I will. Come on, rude and monkey do. Come on. So yeah, I have a fun club. And I am just a member. Like, I should at least be an experienced ride. The other. Do the other one. I'll follow. Okay, so her horse is a lower level, so I'm gonna be able to stay with her. Say something.
Is she a star rider?
Yeah, of course, she's in a star riding area. By the way, I'm a star rider! It's awesome. I'm riding Onyx Magic, a horse you don't even know. So yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah, of course I am. But I've got like, I don't know, 3 more minutes left. Firestorm, just go away!
What about Maya? Didn't we need a babysitter?
No! Your parents are home. I don't even know where this person is going. Oh yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will be doing in another video all my horses, showing all of my horses. I hope that she's fast. Oh, it's this one. I love it when somebody like, I gotta tell her to wait. Where'd she even go? Eh? Cut. I told her to wait. It might cut out. I'm recording. It might cut out. I'm recording. Soon will be done. Okay. First one, Silverglade. Dang it, I should have told her what I'm recording. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do this race really quickly, and she doesn't even know what I'm recording. I'm recording YouTube. Oh right, she took the faster way down the mountain. Or the so-called faster way. What? I just about fell down. What? Like, cliff, which was fun, I think. I'm so winning this race. Ah, but I should maybe cross the bridge. That was close. Dang it, she's winning. Get up! Oh, dang it, I have like a minute left. I really hope that this finishes. I'm recording YouTube. So yeah, that person, it's her lucky day. She's recording. She's on YouTube, people. Subscribe to the video. It's a good thing to do. You'll get an A in school if you subscribe to my channel. That's probably not true. The opposite is probably true. You'll get an F if you subscribe to my channel. No, I'm kidding. You won't get it. You'll get less than an F. You'll get like... What even? Where even? Is a better question. Whoa. Boy, get out! I'm not losing this. Well, I already have lost, but